Welcome back, readers. I have two stories for you today. The first one is Pete the Cat, Five Little Pumpkins by James Dean. Five little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." The fourth one said, "Let's run and run and run." The fifth one said, "I'm ready for some fun." Ooh, ooh, went the wind, and out went the lights, and the five little pumpkins rolled out of sight. Happy Halloween! And now we'll move on to our second story. There was an old lady who picked a pumpkin by Lucille, Colandro, illustrated by Jerry Lee. There was an old lady who picked a pumpkin. The old lady says, "Hooray! We have a trip today." Grab your bag, say hello, get on the bus, off we go. Drive out of town, it won't be long, talk to friends and sing a song. We see leaves all brown and red, who can guess what is ahead? The old lady sees the sign, get off the bus, step in line. The sign says, "Pumpkin Patch." A friendly scarecrow points the way. It's sure to be a fun fall day. What does the old lady see? A horse, a cow, and an apple tree. But no pumpkins. Go up the hill, what does she see? A field of hay and a bumblebee. But no pumpkins. See the lamb, the pigs, and the ducks? They are on the big red truck. But no pumpkins. Look, look, what have we found? Orange circles, nice and round. Pumpkins. No two pumpkins are alike. Pick the one that you like. Large, bumpy, small, or long, lift it up and take along. Bye to pigs and lamb and ducks. Bye to horse and big red truck. Bye to cow. Bye to all. See you next year. Happy fall. Back to the bus for a ride. Pumpkins are piled high inside. Paint or carve, it's up to you. The old lady knows what to do. Yum! What did she make? Pumpkin pie. Yum, yum, yum. That is the end of our story today. Thank you so much for being here with me. I will see you next time. Goodbye.